It seems like an odd question. Can I clean a boat hull with toilet bowl cleaner? As it turns out, yes you can. While toilet bowl cleaner does work wonders as a way to get scum and algae off the bottom of your boat hull, it wasn't designed for that purpose. So you'll need to be careful about which products you use and how you go about cleaning your boat. Keep watching to learn more. 3 products to clean your hull. STAR-BRITE Easy Off Bottom Cleaner is an acid-based cleaner specifically designed for cleaning the hull of a boat. Because it's intended for use on boats, you know it's safe for cleaning fiberglass boat hulls. Meanwhile, ZING Boat Hull Cleaner is another professional boat hull cleaner that has a 4-star rating on Amazon, but has far fewer reviews than the STAR-BRITE cleaner. It's safe on fiberglass and painted wood. Finally, if you're looking to save money, hit up your local dollar store and buy a bottle of the Works Toilet Bowl Cleaner. 1 bottle will do the bottom of a 25-foot boat. Cleaning your hull. First, you'll need to rinse the boat with a garden hose or power washer. Make sure the washer doesn't contain harsh chemicals. Next, pick your favorite automotive or marine soap and give the boat a good bath before rinsing it thoroughly. Once the boat is dry, it's time to break out the toilet bowl cleaner. Make sure you have protective gear like gloves and glasses along with a gentle brush. Let it sit for a few minutes, rinse it, and voila! Waxing your boat. You might be tempted to skip this step, but your efforts will be wasted and your boat will look even worse the next time you leave your boat in the water if you don't do this step. If you're not willing to put a protective coating of wax or sealant on your boat hull, don't bother cleaning it with toilet bowl cleaner or any of these other hull cleaners. You see, cleaning your boat hull this way strips away everything from the hull. When you put your hull into the water unprotected, it's going to get even more growth and will probably look worse than it did before. Best waxes. For starters, we suggest using COLLINITE FLEETWAX 885, but make sure it's the paste, not the liquid, as the results last longer. New Finish is another great liquid wax that, at one point, was marketed as a once-a-year car polish. Another personal favorite is McKEE'S 37 Hydro Blue SiO2 coating. It's easy to use and affordable enough to make up for only lasting 3 to 4 months. So there you have it. You can totally use toilet bowl cleaner to clean the hull of your boat. Just make sure to reapply some protective wax at the end. Have any questions? Reach out or check the blog for more. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.